Welcome to our training session on security misconfiguration, a critical topic in the world of web security, brought to you by CyEile Technologies. Today, we're diving deep into one of the top 10 vulnerabilities outlined by OWASP, the Open Web Application Security Project. If you're a developer, system administrator, or anyone involved in maintaining web applications, you're in the right place. Misconfigurations can happen to anyone, and understanding them is the first step in preventing breaches. So, what exactly is a security misconfiguration? Imagine you've just launched a brand new application. You're excited, everything seems to be running smoothly, and you think, what could go wrong? But behind that excitement lies a potential disaster waiting to happen. Security misconfiguration occurs when security settings are not defined, implemented, or maintained properly. This can happen at any level of an application stack, from the network to the application itself, and even at the database level. Let's break this down further. Picture this. You've just set up a cloud server. You've assigned it a shiny new IP address and you're ready to go. But did you remember to change the default credentials? Did you lock down your security groups? Did you configure your firewall rules? If the answer is no, you might as well be leaving the front door wide open, inviting hackers to stroll right in. Now, it's not just about the server itself. Think about your web application. Are you using the latest version of your framework? Have you disabled unnecessary features? Are your error messages too verbose, revealing sensitive information? These are all areas where misconfigurations can occur, and they often do, leading to data leaks, unauthorized access, and other security incidents. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Many organizations struggle with security misconfigurations. In fact, a study by the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency found that misconfigurations were responsible for 70% of all cloud security incidents. That's a staggering number. So, how can we prevent this from happening? First, let us talk about best practices. Begin with a secure baseline configuration. This means setting up your servers and applications with the least amount of privileges necessary for them to function. Always follow the principle of least privilege. Regularly review and update your configurations to ensure they are still aligned with your security policies. Next, automate your security checks. Use tools that can scan your configurations and identify potential vulnerabilities. There are numerous open source tools available that can help you with this. Implement continuous monitoring to catch misconfigurations as they happen. Remember, security is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. And let's not forget about documentation. Document your configurations and changes meticulously. This not only helps in identifying what went wrong when a breach occurs, but also aids in onboarding new team members. A well-documented system is a secure system. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds like a lot of work, you're right. But here's the good news. CyEile Technologies is here to help. Our team of experts specializes in helping organizations like yours navigate the complexities of web security, including addressing security misconfigurations. We offer tailored solutions that fit your specific needs, ensuring your applications are as secure as possible. So what are you waiting for? If you want to take your security posture to the next level and protect your applications from misconfigurations and other vulnerabilities, contact CyEile Technologies today. Let's work together to build a safer web. In conclusion, security misconfiguration is a common pitfall that can lead to serious consequences. By understanding the risks and implementing best practices, you can significantly reduce your vulnerability. Remember, a proactive approach to security is always better than a reactive one. Stay informed, stay secure, and let CyEile Technologies be your partner in this journey. Thank you for joining us today.